I am so excited that for today's video, I get to share my bedroom with you guys. I really thought that I thought it was gonna take longer. So the fact that I've really only been living here a month and a half, Loki's back there chewing on a bone, so if you hear the gagging, that's what that is. So when you come to my channel, gagging, okay? But I'm just so pleased with how this turned out. The bed is the bed I need to figure that out. So, you know, let me have a moment for all of this. You would think, girl, just get in there, push that under. So I'm gonna pan it back so you can kind of see a lot of this when you first walk in. It actually has a double door entrance, which is really lovely. I really like that. And I try to actually keep this room super light, super airy, especially because I've got so many other rooms I'm working on. So I didn't want to overthink it too much, but here is the main back wall where I have black furniture. This is very different. If you're new to my channel, I've never truly decorated in this sense. I've been more of a traditional farmhouse kind of girl. So having more of a modern mirror, you know, like that's not really my style, and I'm finding myself kind of going there. So I wanted to make sure I still had like a traditional feel to this as well. That's why I brought in this rug. So this pattern is very much traditional. However, it's got the black element and the brown element as well. This is from Amazon. Most of my bedroom is actually from Amazon, so I'm gonna link as much of it that I can. So I'm gonna start off with this section here. The furniture pieces are all a matching set, and I got them from Nebraska Furniture Mart. When I originally bought end tables, they were from Amazon. I love them, I highly recommend them. They're in my Amazon storefront. However, my problem really came down to this piece. The original piece I had was simply too small. So I found this on Nebraska, and then I decided to get the matching set. Also, if you've noticed, these handles are upside down. So I have to just turn them the other way. You can see they actually face down like this. So just know I'm well aware of that. So the furniture set is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. The bed itself, I believe, is from Wayfair or Overstock, which now is Bed Bath & Beyond, apparently. In case anyone didn't know that, I guess Bed Bath & Beyond acquired Overstock. So the bed, I could have a potential to update it one day. I think the frame is lovely. I love the color of it. I just wish it was slightly bigger, like maybe a little bit taller. It is supposed to be more of a modern, lower frame bed, but for now, it really works and I like it. The mirrors are from Amazon. The lamps are from Amazon. That's my essential oil diffuser. It's from Amazon. I have a whole link to my bedroom. It's called Master Bedroom. I'm gonna link my master bedroom full link down below from Amazon. You just click on it, and then in that list, you'll see everything. Even stuff that's from like my older bedrooms, I guess you could say. The wall art is not as big and dramatic as I would have liked. This is actually what slowed down a lot of my room, is trying to find the wall art. I really love this piece. It's actually from Hobby Lobby. It's very much me. Anything that looks outdoor, airy, looks like a landscape, feel with the sky, that is me. So I knew I was gonna have these blacks and browns and creams. I knew I needed to incorporate green somehow. Now the lighting is a little bit off. It's coming across a little bit yellow, but there is green in this picture. So that is from Hobby Lobby. My entire bedding, all of it, down to the mattress topper, the sheets, the duvet insert, the quilt, the pillow covers, it's all Amazon. And I know last time I did my Amazon video, I forgot to link my bed set. So it's finally linked. For those of you that watched that video and you were waiting for that link, it's finally linked. So here's what this wall looks like. As you can see, very symmetrical. I love this pillow right here. Like I said, everything's literally from Amazon. So highly recommend this one. It's just gorgeous. It looks like such a luxury pillow. Love it. The other side is exactly the same. That little thing is just my sound machine. That's all that is. Loki's bed. Loki's bed's from Amazon. Isn't it, Loki? The fact that he paused his bone. By the way, I don't normally give him these bones. He hasn't gotten one in such a long time, and he just loves it to death. So he's getting a little treat. He won't get another one for a whole nother year. All right, so he's got his little corner there. You know, it's just life. You know, he's got his bears. That's Yellow Dog. That's 11. That's an octopus, but its name is 11 from like Stranger Things. And then, yeah, so pretty random information, but I really love this back wall. It's simple. It's airy, like I said, and it's got all the colors that I imagined when I was originally thinking I was going to, you know, close on my construction home and the way that I designed that home. If you go back and watch that tour, you'll see a lot of black and green and brown elements because I already had this vision in my head. The only thing that I didn't complete in this room that I thought I would have are just simply the curtains. So try to maybe imagine chocolate curtains. Now you think I would have maybe done black, but no, I was going to go with deep chocolate curtains that kind of like matched this color right here. But in the end, because this is a rental, I just thought it would be a waste of money because you just never know with windows. And this is pretty tall, so you know, I just didn't want to go there. But otherwise, this room is actually the exact vision that I had I have moved into my construction home like I thought I was going to. Over here, nothing. There's nothing going on. I think eventually, I'm going to have a tree plant right here. I'm going to order one from Amazon. And I'm going to turn those knobs the other way. And I'm just going to keep it simple. Yes, I could mount my TV, make it look a little bit nicer, make it look a little bit more framed. But if I'm being honest, I don't care to do that right now in my life. So I think this works out for me. And then, you know, when Christmas rolls around, I'll do a garland here and make it really pretty. But for now, every day, just like this, it's good enough for me. In this corner, this is where we do see a little bit more green. So I do think that if I had like a tree over there, it would balance it out. I'm still playing with this piece right here. So it's kind of just like leftover decor. This piece especially, which is also from Amazon, this topiary tree. This planter, I believe, is Walmart though. And then the stool is Walmart. The stool is fabulous. It's like a rattan. It's gorgeous. It's Farmhouse. I love the color. I love that I'm breaking up all this black. This is very, like this right here, what you see in this picture is exactly me. These colors, the greenery, the boxwood. I absolutely love boxwood. And then I found these beautiful canvas prints. They actually are sold together at Hobby Lobby. So they come together. And I just thought I would kind of lay it up there. I'm not even hanging them up on the wall. I like the idea of having to just lay it. Not every wall decor piece has to be on the actual wall. You know, there's a lot of different ways to decorate. You can just lay things down. It could even like go on the floor. You know, really decorating is subjective, and whatever makes you happy, do that. This little section is just, it's simple. You know, it's kind of like, the setup is odd because the entrance to the bathroom is like dead center. So my TV is off centered from my bed, you know, so I sleep there so that I'm closer to the TV. But you know, if I had a husband, which I don't. So this is empty in case I, you know, like that'd be kind of hard to like look over there. I guess not really. I mean, the TV's big enough, but it's not quite centered is I guess what I'm trying to say. So, you know, this section, I think I did enough. I don't really need to put anything on this wall either. I don't feel like I need to fill up every corner. If I owned this house, I probably would think about maybe something there. But really, I think this is honestly enough. Anyways, that is my master bedroom reveal. I am going to link the last several bedroom makeovers that I've done on my channel, you're welcome to go back and watch. You can see how my style's kind of evolved in a way. I'm definitely enjoying this color palette. It's new to me. So it's been really fun and slightly challenging for me to work with. And you know, I want to point something out too. I don't have any green on my bed. I think it could probably use a pop of green. However, I didn't even have the black pillows on there. I just had the white and the brown, and I was like, something's not right. And the moment I framed it with these black pillows, it just really, it lifted the bed. It kind of like pulls in the nightstands. It's just really interesting how certain color palettes and how you style things can actually can either make it or break it sometimes. So I would just say keep playing around with colors and things until, you know, when your eyes land on it, you're happy with what you see. So yeah, but that's the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'm gonna link my Amazon storefront for this bedroom down below. You're welcome to go take a look at anything. And that is it. Now that I finally have it in this state, that means I can decorate this for fall, Halloween, Christmas. So I'm very excited. I have already started ordering new Christmas sheets. My previous bed was a queen. This is a king. So I have to do all new sheets. So I've been already prepping for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna put trees here, we'll do garland, we're gonna do a Christmas print here. It's all gonna be pretty decked out for Christmas. There's even a chance I might even like change out my rug for winter time. I'm not sure. I might end up like doing some type of plaid rug. So who knows? Plans in my head. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.